For me, to go to a WSAVA Congress means to meet family.
We meet friends, we meet new colleagues. It's just a tremendous social event. What makes this very special is not only the high quality education we get, but it's that sense of community. It is fun, it's educational, and you'll meet all kinds of interesting people.
It's always a party, and I don't mean a party with drinks and dancing, although we do that too. It's a party of knowledge and recognition.
I think everybody should attend a WSAVA Congress. Veterinarians for sure, but also technicians, nurses, front office staff, managers. There's stuff here for everybody. I'd like to invite everybody to come to our 50th World Congress in Rio de Janeiro in 2025.